Hello, this is Ron from Ron's Drone Tech and Photography channel, and today I've received my brand new iPhone 11 Pro model. I ordered it directly from Apple. I'm part of the upgrade program, so I upgraded from the original iPhone X to the iPhone 11 here. So the box was delivered this morning by UPS. Was supposed to originally be delivered on the 27th, and it got bumped back to the 30th, but it showed up today on the 26th. So early is always good, right? And look how well they packaged it in there with all that cardboard, and then they have it shrink wrapped to that piece of inner cardboard so it doesn't move around. Very good packaging as always by Apple. Really helps, from things getting damaged in shipping. So you always really appreciate the small, nice touches like that. Sorry, I'm peeking my head in there. Okay, we're going to cut this shrink wrap loose with the handy pair of scissors here. So snip, snip, there we go. There it is. It's unreleased here. I got the that new dark green one. Sorry, I keep losing my voice here. I got some kind of a fall cold here. Yeah, so it comes with that wrap as always, so it's easy to get off. You don't need scissors. You just find a point where it has a little tab and you pull it off. So there's the typical Apple box, really well made, good pictures on the outside. Has that nice. You pull it off as a solid thing. Okay, here's the phone with another layer of plastic around it. Same thing. You don't need to cut it. You see that kind of pull tab on the bottom there. You just pull it and the whole thing comes off. I'm showing you the color and the best I can in that natural light from the window, and you can probably see the three camera setup that the Pro features. It almost kind of looks gray in certain light rather than green, and you saw that etched Apple logo in the back. So I'm going to put it down for a second, show you what's in the box here. You get the usual little instructions in there and the sticker. Not much of instructions, but get the sticker in there and a few things that you almost never even open. Now here's the let's see, what am I showing here? Here's the typical Apple earbuds here with a Lightning connector to connect, of course, to the port at the bottom. There's no more headphone jack. Hasn't been one for years. You no longer get the little adapter in the box you used to plug in regular headphones. There's a fast charger. They got a fast charger for this model. I don't know the wattage, but you can find it easily online. And here's the new cable. It's USB-C to Lightning. This is the first time they've included any type of USB-C cable with an iPhone. So you plug the C part into the quick adapter, and yes, and then you plug it in Lightning to charge it. So this charges much faster than the old standard charge. I don't know all the wattage or all the specs. You can look all that up online. I'll be testing it out to see how fast it actually charges the thing. When I run it down. Now, the amazing thing, the phone showed up at, I'm going to say almost 100% charged out of the box. If it wasn't 100, it was darn close to 100% charged. So again, you don't get that little adapter you used to get in the box to use your old phones. I like to use my older Bose earbuds with my iPhone because they're a little bit better. Obviously much better sound quality, and they're even better at noise canceling also. But I still have one around from. I don't even know if you got that little adapter to 10. It may go all the way back to where I had my 7 Plus. Anyhow, that's the big unboxing portion. I'm not going to go into any great length or details. If you want to see unboxings, there's literally thousands, maybe millions of them on YouTube, all by the big, celebrity reviewers that got the phone seated to them last week, or shortly after the phone came out. So I'm mostly going to feature this review on the phone about the camera and video, and also how the iPhone 11 works with drones. I'm going to be testing it with the Anafi the Zino, and I won't be testing with the Mavic 2 Pro because I don't have the, I only have the smart controller. I don't have the normal controller. So, okay, let's move on to the next part of the video. Okay, here I'm down by the ocean, and I'm going to show you how the three cameras work. Okay, now here's the option where you see kind of the whole screen, and in the middle, this is the normal wide-angle lens is what you're looking at now. So I just took a picture. And here is the super wide angle lens, which is almost a fisheye. That flash was taking a picture. And of course, here's a 2X, which they call like the zoom lens, which is, I guess, more like a 50 millimeter type of length, which isn't really zoom, but it's a kind of a normal old fashioned. Okay, now here I'm up on the boardwalk in Ventnor City. I'm testing the video. I'm testing the stabilization on it. And here's just a still picture with a normal wide angle. Here's another normal picture with the standard wide angle lens. Again, standard wide angle lens. I think this is standard wide angle lens. This is the super wide angle. And here's back to, I believe, just the normal wide angle. Okay, here's a little more video. This is 4K 30 with the iOS one, I mean the image stabilization here. As I walk down the beach, just holding the phone in my hand. I don't have a stick or anything. This is free holding, as you would call it. Okay, here's a wide angle, normal wide angle lens, zoomed in a little bit, and there's super wide angle lens, which reveals me in the shadow there. Okay, here's the normal wide angle. Okay, here's a video again, 4K 30. We'll see how stable it is as I'm just walking along, just casually holding the phone. You see the bouncing when I'm walking, but not bad at all. Much improvement over the stabilization on my iPhone 10, which I upgraded from, which would be almost 2 years old at this point. Okay, here's Lucy the Elephant in Margate, New Jersey. This is the wide angle. There's the super wide angle lens. And here's the zoom lens. You can see the three, and I didn't move at all. I stood in the same spot taking all the three of those photos. Okay, here's a video, 4K 30 video, me walking around. Lucy looks pretty stable, just free holding again, no selfie stick, no holder of any kind, no gimbal. So this is the walking and video test. It's back and forth. And all the pictures I took when I showed you the three focal lengths, I stayed in the same spot as I moved the camera. Okay, here's Lucy wide angle, super wide angle, and zoom. And Lucy's a national landmark in New Jersey, if anybody doesn't know her. Okay, here's a super wide angle shot. Okay, here's back to just the wide angle lens. Wide angle lens. Here's the super wide angle. You notice the kind of the fisheye look on the building there. Okay, here's more walking with 4K 30 video. See my long shadow there as the late in the afternoon. Okay, this is super wide angle sunset. Super wide angle. See the building, the fisheye lens makes it look kind of distorted. Same thing, kind of distorted fisheye angle look. Here's the normal wide angle lens. Okay, here's some video. Along the ocean side here, the waves coming in. See a little motion in the video. Of course, I have no ND filters on this or anything. So this is the movement of the water may be a little off. Okay, here's a telephoto getting a little closer here of the waves crashing along the outfall pipe system there. Okay, there's the time lapse with standard time-lapse settings. Okay, now here's the slow motion setting. It gets real slow in a minute here. Here you go. It's real slow. And of course you see the sunset in the background there. So it's pretty impressive there, that the slow-mo on this thing. I don't know what the frame rate is, but if I figure it out, I'll try to put it in the show notes here. There you go. We're real slow there. Waves crashing on the shore. So if slow motion's your thing, you got it here with no setup time. Okay, here's the Not sure if this is, there's a super wide angle there. This sunset getting lower and lower. Okay, here's the zoom lens, zoomed all the way in. Super wide angle again from low on the beach, low angle shot. Super wide angle, look at the distorted building. I think this is, I'm not sure which one this was. This is, obviously, this is video, sorry, no wonder I didn't know. Okay, here's a still with the okay, this is super wide. And this is zoom. And the first one, of course, was the regular wide. Again, I'm staying in the same spot for all these photos, just adjusting the different cameras. Here's the video again of that outfall pipe, just regular 4K 30. Here's another still with a wide angle, regular wide angle, super wide angle. And zoomed all the way in again. Real tight shot there. So here's just I think this is super wide angle. This may be just regular wide angle. Super wide angle again. And I'm not sure if this is super wide angle or wide angle. The building doesn't look quite as distorted. This may be wide angle. And more sunsets there, but kind of hide behind the building there. So I hope this helps you kind of understand the differences between the three different cameras on the new iPhone 11, and how easy it is to switch back and forth between the three of them to figure out which option is the best for you in different photography situations, and give you an idea of the video quality, and more importantly, give you an idea of how well the image stabilization is on this new one. It seems to be considerably improved over my iPhone 10, and I'm happy with the phone, with the photo quality. I think it's an improvement. I really like the new wide angle, super wide angle lens on this. So again, this will be the first of probably a couple videos on this new iPhone 11. And again, I'm not really going to concentrate on the phone features. There's other channels you can go to that. I'm going to mostly focus in on how it relates to photography and video, and how it relates to using it with your drones. And again, drone photography is where I'm going to concentrate on this new phone. So I hope you enjoyed this first video on the iPhone 11, and please like and subscribe, and watch out for future videos on the iPhone 11 if that's your bag. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.